Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with my project share for the month of June and for the Cricut Silhouette collab with Poetspice here on the YT. And for this month we're doing different themes, and we post every third Thursday of the month by 5 o'clock. And the theme for this month is masculine, so we do anything masculine. So I just did a layout, and this is from the Cricut cartridge family album. They have this layout laid out this particular way, and I just copied it because my schedule had time to be creative, think of anything else this week. But just use some general cardstock, Recollections cardstock, and I just cut out the word. So again, all these images and the banner and the chevron print and the shirt and the squares, everything came cut out from the cartridge. So this is just one layout, 12 by 12 of Dad. Of course, this is June, so Father's Day is the month. I mean, the theme of the month, even though the theme was masculine. But so that's what I did. So I made this kind of what thinking of my grandson could do, his father and him on this page. I'm going to do a second page just to have time to do it before the video, but I will have a second layout that says "and I" with opposite on the other page, so it'll be Dad and I. But anyway, so that is my project, and there are also other collaborators that are in this collab. I will have the link below. They will inspire you to use your Cricut or your Silhouette because we spent plenty of money on this machine. So please check them out, and I will have their links below. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative and to use your machines. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.